I'm Steve Okelberry. We launched lightingwarehouse.com. Our staff here at Lighting Warehouse has over 30 years of landscape lighting experience and running product supply businesses. Our expertise is providing the products you need, the quality you require, and the service you'll love.
What does this mean? It means you can place your order with confidence, knowing that the products you want are ready to ship the very same day. You'll find the same brands that pros are using, like FX, Kichler, Alliance, and many others. Not the cheap China direct knockoff brands.
Don't see what you need? We'll get it for you at the lowest possible price. We have live customer service staff with years of experience that are available to help you when you need it.
We have videos and articles explaining what you need to buy and how to install it yourself. We want to empower you to transform your outdoors into a safe, beautiful environment that is sure to impress your family and friends.
Lightingwarehouse.com. Let's light your way.